What if I told you that you could start making money online using AI without spending a single dime? In this video, I'm revealing 13 practical ways to earn income using free AI tools in 2025. Each method is tested, actionable, and requires zero upfront investment. Stay until the end, because method number 13 is a hidden strategy that most people overlook. Welcome to Web Success. I've explored dozens of AI platforms to find the most effective ways to monetize skills and automate income streams. Today, I'll show you 13 ways you can start earning with AI for free. You'll see real-life use cases, practical workflows, and tips to maximize earnings. Each method also includes referral links where applicable, so you get bonuses or free trials. Stick around till the end for a secret tip that could multiply your results. Method 1 is AI-powered content creation using ChatGPT or similar free AI writing tools. These platforms can generate articles, social media posts, product descriptions, and more. You can offer content writing services on Fiverr or Upwork without writing anything manually. Imagine completing a blog post in minutes instead of hours. One freelancer used ChatGPT to write 10 client blogs in a single day, increasing their monthly income significantly. Many AI tools offer free plans or trials, and using my referral links unlocks additional features. Method 2 is AI-generated design using free tools like Canva.ai or Adobe Firefly. Free AI design tools can create logos, social media graphics, presentations, and marketing materials. Offer your design services or sell templates online. A small business owner used Canva.ai to produce a full month of Instagram content in an afternoon instead of days. Customize designs, add client branding, and deliver faster. Using referral links, you may gain extra templates or bonus features. Method 3 is AI video creation using tools like Pictory.ai or Runway. Most video creators spend hours editing content, but AI video generators can turn scripts or text into full videos with subtitles, voiceovers, and stock footage. In a use case, a YouTuber producing faceless videos cut production time by 70% without losing quality. These tools offer free trials, and my referral links give bonus access to additional templates or credits. Method 4 is AI-powered transcription and audio editing using tools like Descript or Otter.ai. These platforms automatically transcribe audio, edit podcasts, or remove filler words efficiently. Podcasters and content creators can save hours per episode. One creator used Descript to edit a full 20-minute episode podcast in under 15 minutes. Free plans often include transcription limits, and referral links unlock extra features. Method 5 is AI image generation using platforms like Midjourney or DALL-E 3. Create unique images, illustrations, and concept art for clients or stock marketplaces. A graphic designer used Midjourney to generate client illustrations without hiring an artist, reducing costs and turnaround time. These tools have free credits, and referral links often provide bonus credits or early access. If you're finding this useful, drop a like and check the description for all the referral links mentioned so far. These links give you free access or bonus features, helping you start without investment and supporting the channel. Method 6 is AI-powered affiliate marketing using free AI tools to create content or optimize campaigns. You can write blog posts, create social media ads, or generate email sequences using AI, then monetize through affiliate links. A marketer used AI to generate 30 affiliate posts in a day, significantly boosting their revenue. Many AI platforms offer free access for content creation, and referral links can unlock extra features. Method 7 is AI chatbots for customer service using tools like ChatGPT or Tidio. Create automated customer support for businesses without coding. Example, a freelancer set up AI chatbots for small e-commerce stores, reducing response time and earning monthly retainer fees. Many platforms have free plans, and referral links can give extra templates or advanced functionality. Method 8 is AI for coding or app generation using free AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot or Replit.ai. Build small apps, scripts, or tools and sell them on marketplaces or as micro SaaS solutions. A software developer created a small automation tool in hours and sold it for recurring income. Free tiers allow limited usage, and referral links can provide extended trial periods or credits. Method 9 is AI for social media scheduling and analytics using tools like Buffer.ai or Lately.ai. Automate posts, analyze performance, and optimize engagement without manual effort. Social media managers can manage multiple accounts efficiently, A freelancer used AI to schedule 30 days of content in under an hour. Free versions often exist, and referral links unlock premium analytics or additional post slots. Method 10 is AI for SEO and keyword research using tools like Surfer AI or Neuron Writer. Generate optimized content, meta descriptions, and keyword insights quickly. A blogger increased organic traffic by 40% in 2 months using AI to write and optimize posts. Free plans cover limited queries, and referral links provide bonus access or trial extensions. Method 11 is AI for translation and transcription using free tools like DeepL or Google Translate. AI create multilingual content, offer translation services, or transcribe videos for clients. A freelancer translated ebooks into multiple languages and sold them online, expanding revenue streams. Most platforms have free quotas, and referral links often provide expanded limits. Method 12 is AI voiceovers and narration using tools like 11 Labs or Murph.ai. Generate professional quality voiceovers for videos, audiobooks, or podcasts quickly. A YouTuber replaced expensive voice actors with AI narration, saving money and production time. Free trials allow limited usage, and referral links give bonus credits or voices. Method 13, the bonus secret method, is AI automation agents using platforms like Agent GPT or Make.com to automate repetitive business tasks, research, email handling, or content publishing. A freelancer set up an automation pipeline for multiple clients, generating passive income without ongoing manual work. Many tools have free tiers, and referral links often unlock advanced workflows or multi-step automation templates. Here are a few additional tips to maximize your results. Combine AI content writing with video and voiceover tools to produce polished media efficiently. Use AI image and design tools for branding, social media, or digital products. Integrate AI chatbots and automation agents for business workflows to save time and scale services. Consistently experiment with free tiers first and upgrade strategically only when necessary. Always track ROI and refine your workflow for maximum efficiency. That wraps up the top 13 ways to make money using AI for free in 2025. Each method has real-world applications, practical workflows, and referral links to get bonus access or free features. Check the description for all referral links to start immediately and support the channel. If you want more in-depth AI tutorials or advanced workflows, hit subscribe and comment which AI method you want me to cover next. Start using these AI tools today, streamline your work, and turn free resources into real income.